Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So I'm going to show you how to take a YouTube video, pull the transcript that YouTube auto generates, drop it into ChatGPT, use ChatGPT 4 to pull a 2-paragraph video description that you can then upload back into your YouTube video description to improve SEO. So let me share my screen. Behind me, you can see a video that I recorded. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner. There are 3 little dots. You're going to click on those 3 little dots and you're going to click Show Transcript. Now, you should have the transcript showing up here. If for some reason you don't have that option, you're going to go to YouTube Studio. You're going to scroll down to where it says Show More. You're going to keep scrolling down, and right here under Video Details, you're going to choose Closed Caption or Caption. This has never been shown. And that should be all you need. Title and description, language, English, video language, English. But you should have it auto caption automatically. Like there's nothing else that you should need to do. Anyway, back to this. So I turn on the captions. I toggle timestamps to get rid of the timestamps. Now, this is a 4-minute, 55-second video. I talk a lot. I speak quickly. I'm going to copy all of those words. Let's go into ChatGPT. We're going to choose GPT-4. I'm going to say, please review the following video transcript and summarize the talking points in 2 paragraphs. And then I enter. So there it is, fingers crossed. Okay. And so it says here, Tony Maritato discusses total joint replacement surgeries, specifically focusing on total knee, hip, shoulder replacements, which is what I'm talking about in the video. He mentions that a total knee replacement have become the most challenging and frustrating of the 3 procedures, with hip replacements now seeing the best outcomes due to advanced technology and techniques such as anterior approach. Total shoulder replacements have improved as well, but they are still considered challenging. Patients undergoing total knee replacements typically need 10 to 12 weeks of outpatient therapy or treatment, with some taking up to 12 months to fully recover. Maritato also highlights the importance of individual recovery paths, not comparing oneself to others. Recovery timeframes can vary depending on factors such as age, pre-surgery activity levels, and the duration of the joint issues before surgery. He invites viewers to join the Total Knee Replacement Support Group for Kind People on Facebook, which has over 10,000 members who provide experiences and guidance to those undergoing or considering joint replacement surgery. Awesome. All right, I click to copy that to my I don't know what you call it. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to drop that down. Control V to paste. I'm going to put my credentials, PT, right there. And that's it. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to grab a different one of those screenshots until I can get Canva to make me a better screenshot or a better thumbnail. Which is the worst? No, which is worse? Okay, I'm going to take that. I'm going to say, please create an enticing video title for YouTube based on the above information. Let's see what it gives me. Total joint replacements, which surgeries are the most challenging? Insider insights from a physical therapist. I'll take it. Too long. Which surgery is the most challenging? Knee, hip, or shoulder? replacement. All right. Let's go public. And that's it. So now I'll throw it out there. We'll see what happens. I haven't actually listened to the video yet, but you know, I recorded it, 5 minutes of recording time, straight to upload, no edits, no modifications, nothing special. I think we'll see how it performs. If I take a look at my dashboard real quick, just to show you guys, let's go to analytics instead. The channel is doing pretty well, you know, $1,300 in revenue from the last month. That's April. We just started May 1st. I'll have to do an income report. March revenue was $1,483. So revenue is down just a little bit, but it's way higher than it was in January, February, December. So I'm happy with the way the channel's performing. My last video that I had published 1 day and 3 hours ago, that video got 2,000 views. That was a better performing video. So, all right, guys, I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you on the next video.